In the past, it's been hard to type Nigerian languages correctly on systems, tablets and handsets, but no more. There's one free keyboard you can install on all your devices to make it really easy to type hooked letters, special vowels, letters with accents, underlines and underdots and more. Naija Type. I'll tell you how to install it in a moment, but first let me show you how to use it. On a desktop, you type the base letter and then the semicolon key one or more times to switch between other forms of that letter. For example, to type the word Hutu, you type H, U, D, then the semicolon key, and then U. To type a capital letter, you type the capital letter before you press the semicolon key like this, capital D, semicolon key, then AYA. After typing a vowel or an N or an M, you can add a tone mark above it by pressing the top left key that's just to the left of the 1 key on your keyboard. This cycles through the following symbol. The first one is like that. The second one, press it twice, 1, 2, it's like that. The third, 3 presses gives you 4 presses, gives you that, and 5 presses gives you that. In a similar way, you can type a nasal sign by holding down Shift and pressing that top left key, the one with the tilde sign on it. There we are. It works for small and for big letters. And you can combine tone and nasal signs. So, let's try typing the Gwarok word, Zugwai. Capital Z as normal, Shift and Z. And then we type an I, and it needs to be a barred I, so we'll type I, and then the semicolon key, then GWA. We want a tone mark on this, so we'll press A, and then the top left key for the tone key, and then an I. Or the Tiap word, Agweza, with underlines. Do a capital A, and then let's press the semicolon key twice. There it is. Two semicolons gives us the underlined letter. Now let's try a more complicated example from Ishe. Here's a phrase, we'll type the SHA as normal, then we want a tone mark on that, so press the top left key, then space, JE, then change that shape with semicolon, hold down Shift, do the tilde for the nasal sign above it, then space, then A, Shift and tilde, N, and then the N arangai is a variation of N, so we press N and then semicolon, and then A. Simple. And of course the one you've all been waiting for, the Naira sign. Let's do Shift 4 to get a dollar sign, and then semicolon to change it into the correct Naira sign. Let's try a Yoruba greeting with underdots. K, A, and we'll get the high tone by 1 press on the tone key, another A, and 2 presses gives us that. Low tone, a B, and then to do an underdot, we'll just keep pressing the key until we get the underdot. That was 1, 2, 3 semicolons to get the underdot. And now we can add the tone. Simple. Let's do another one. This time, capital and 1, 2, 3 taps to get the underdot. Tone key twice, tone key once again, R, O, dot, 3 taps on the semicolon and 2 taps on the tone key. And that really is about as easy as it gets. Now let me show you how to install it. Go along to this website, you've probably been here already. blog.robury.co.uk/language/ Naija Type. If you had an Android phone and you would click to download the Android app, we want to install Keyman and then get the Naija Type keyboard. Or if you like, you can download an all-in-one installer for Windows with the Naija Type keyboard included. Let's click that and click download. So download the installer and run it. And this will install both Keyman and the Naija Type keyboard all together. Let's click the big install button. If you don't want to see this screen again, then you can turn this off and click the blue Start Keyman button. And something will appear in your notification tray down here. It's quite possible that the icon for Keyman will hide away. It's more useful if we can see it. You might need to change some options by right-clicking and looking at the taskbar settings to show the icon. Here's the Keyman icon. We can activate Keyman by holding down the Windows key and pressing space. And then we can choose the keyboard that we want. I'm going to choose Hausa. And so now we can see that having activated that, when I'm pressing the semicolon key, it behaves just as it's supposed to. On the Mac, it's similar, but you'll have to download Keyman separately and then install the keyboard separately. To install on Android or iPhones or iPads, go to the relevant app store and look for Keyman. When you're typing letters on the touch keyboard, you look for the green dots and press a letter close to the one that you want. Hold it down, move your finger along and find the letter of the shape that you want, and then release. And when you release, that letter highlights and that's what comes out. To do capitals, you change to the capital layer first, press down and choose the right shaped character. And you'll find some of the characters have accents above them or the nasal sign above them. If you need other accent combinations that you can't see immediately on each individual key, then press and hold down on the Q key, and that has extra accents that you might need to combine to get different tone marks and nasal signs. There are even more symbols you can find if you go on looking for them. And one exciting feature for the touch keyboards, as you can see, is Autocomplete or predictive texting, so that you can complete your words in Ishe or Hausa or Nyampa or Fulfulde. To change the language of the predictive text, you click on the globe icon next to the spacebar and choose a different language. Then the suggestions will come up in that language.